Here we are, Grove is digging another hole, as Jamie has said. Every hole is like that. Stitched us up.
Said it was a dreamy dig.
Said it.
Good morning YouTube. Start of another week at Airedale fencing. Lads have already been loaded up. I've just been to see a job actually and just had a phone call off them because we've swapped the vans over. They've left the fitting for the fencing that they're on in the other van and they haven't got one in Justin's van. So yeah, I've got to shoot all the way over to Huddersfield now, taking my fitting over. I'll take in some self-tappers and that as well. Just before I go, why not subscribe while you're here and give us a thumbs up, okay? So next time I see you, I'll be over there. Yeah, so as Jamie's just pointed out, I've just turned up to get them out of shit because they forgot the fitting. To be fair, it's not really their fault. We swapped vans to the vans at MOT. Didn't have a fitting for that one. We've got another one, but it didn't fit that. So yeah, anyway, panic over. They're here now. They're cracking on that 2-1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They've got 7 up already.
Not bad, so they didn't have drill with them. You can just see them there. Obviously we've just started there. They're going to do that bit there, but he just told me they're going to bolt all that, so that's easy. They're going on there. You probably see me come here a few weeks ago. Just to that corner, and then they have to go up, basically up there to that house. Where that house is there. They might have to just do a little return. They were supposed to be levelling all this out. Yeah, they were supposed to be levelling all this out, but it don't look like they've done it. I know. Well, I wouldn't have got them on mine, would I? But I mean, I've got to get it as best I can there, but that wall's not the straightest, but hey, it's only going to be a car park here, so it's not too bad. But yeah, not a bad little do really. Baggy's just going on now and putting his clips on, still need to put them on tight. And just up there, look good. Good morning guys. Been dark, still outside this morning. I just made myself a nice brew. Lads are here just loading up. Yeah, we're just back over at Huddersfield. Probably seen footage yesterday. Lads are just loading up now.
Show you this up here. 28 that? Yeah. They wanted height maintaining all the way through, so probably step next one and then drop it down. That's how we wanted it. Running through. Good morning. It's Thursday. We've had to come back over here. We were a couple of posts short. This job at Huddersfield we've been doing. We knocked this off in a couple of days. All this side were bolted as we said. Majority of it perimeter were dug, so yeah, a couple of days for me and Baggy with that. Nice steady little job. So we're off, where are we going now? We're off over to Grove House, a local school to us. We're starting a massive job over there. I think there's a couple of 100 metre to put in, a dozen gates, trenching out, walls coming down, so we're going to be busy next week, so we've got all that to look forward to. So yeah, Justin's back out of rehab. He's been in rehab all week, so yeah, full team's back. So we'll see you shortly.
How dark is it this morning? Very dark. Lads have just shot off Airedale, loaded up and gone. Back up Batley just to do a couple of post shot yesterday. So they're just going there, they should only be an hour there. And then we're starting a new job down at Grove House this morning. But I'm just going to go pick a van up this morning, but look who's back.
The man, the myth, the legend himself.
Have you had a good holiday?
I have, certainly have.
Been off for a week. What's holidays all about? They shouldn't be allowed, should they? No. So yeah, we're just going to go pick this van up from Queensbury. I don't think there's anyone there. Well, 8:30 actually, so we'll go pick that up and then we're going to meet lads down at Grove House down there, which isn't far from our yard. So I've got a site meeting with the project manager there and the head teacher, and Matt's coming. There's access control and Ryan next door checking a wall down for us. So I'm on there, ready to go, but I'll just turn it round. Got all pans everywhere. You literally struggle when you bring your van here, you get stuck. You never get out again. No, it's not actually that bad this morning, but usually there's vehicles all the way down here. It's an absolute nightmare. He's like an engine doctor, this fella. So yeah, look, engines everywhere, look. Everywhere you look, there's engines. So yeah, we'll get keys and we'll get off and get over to Grove House.
Good morning. So here we are, Grove House Primary School. Me and Mark have already been this morning doing meetings with them. So this is coming out today, fencing going in, Jamie's just getting sorted. Bit of a late start for us today. Look at him, Jamie's happy, he's got his eye vis on. Baggy's wearing his glasses. We'll get all this on, scrap's going to go on mine, fencing straight up behind it. This row will get done today. Here we are, Grove is digging another hole, as Jamie has said. Every hole is like that. Stitched us up.
Said it was a dreamy dig.
This section's in, obviously we're a later start today. Gonna go there today, get this in and then carry on tomorrow. Jamie's on another holiday. Is it? And he's got his ivys on. How many holidays now, Jamie, this year? About 50. I think he takes more holidays than he does working days, this lad. Oh yeah, it's not a bad one, this. All this is to come out, yeah, all these walls to come down, all this to come down. Good 2-week job, going all the way down there, a couple of access gates, and obviously automated gates going at this side. Yeah, we'll get cracked on, no time to lose.
Just going over to pick a load of gates up actually for the job that the lads have started yesterday. Grove House down corner, in fact Justin's here now. What's he after? I was about to set off, he must have forgotten something. Definitely forgotten something. So yeah, I'm just going to pick some gates up over at Garforth and then bring them back, and then they should have what they need for down there. I'll get on with that, but just a bit of a rant, you know, we've just finished a job this week actually, which you'll probably see on footage, and we just got that feeling that they were going to start playing silly buggers at end when it comes to payment and finished, you know. Literally had an email with a couple of points on it, which are literally like, you know, a slight scratch on one of the posts and stuff like this, and they want them replaced and all this. Like, it's literally just delaying payment and trying to get out of payment or wanting money off. And so yeah, very disappointing to sort of wake up to that this morning. You know, it's not a small amount. Well, it might be for some, but not for me. You know, it's 5k they owe. It's absolutely ridiculous, you know, and lads have gone above and beyond. The job looks spot on, honestly. It's literally you know, it's just one of those that just come at every time. But yeah, try not to let it get to me, and I'm going to try and calm down before I reply to them with that one. But anyway, just thought I'd get that rant out of the way. So yeah, I'm going to set off now and go pick these gates up. Anyone that knows anyone in the fencing game, especially in Yorkshire, will know where this is. I think these are mine here all ready to go actually. Yeah, he's a good lad, his gym down here. He's quickly loaded me up, look. A few on there. Also, I'll just strap them up now, get 3 straps on. That's the other 2 lot for this skull that they're on. So yeah, I'll just get these strapped up quickly and then get back to the yard. Get on with my admin. Yeah, I'm pretty safe. As soon as I get some straps on, then they'll be sound. Hey there, yeah, so I'm just back to the yard now, and I'm just going to go on with my admin. Justin's just took the van. Just been to pick him up on the job. He's just come take the van because we need the 2 vans, one for scrap and one obviously got the panels on as they're erected. So yeah, they'll get that away today. So yeah, I'm going to call it a day here actually. So if you like what we do, please give us a thumbs up, and whilst you're here, why not subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.